Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect poached eggs. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need very fresh, cold eggs, a wide pot, and a slotted spoon. A pot about 8 inches wide and 4 inches deep works best for poaching multiple eggs at once. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare the water. Fill your pot with about 3 inches of water. Heat it to a gentle simmer, where small bubbles form on the bottom, but it's not boiling vigorously. The ideal temperature is between 180 and 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid adding vinegar or salt, as they can affect the egg's texture and flavor. Now for the eggs themselves. Crack each cold egg into its own small bowl or ramekin. This helps maintain their shape. Gently slide each egg into the simmering water, one at a time, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes for a beautifully runny yolk, or a little longer for a firmer set. Once cooked to your liking, carefully remove each poached egg from the water using a slotted spoon. Let any excess water drain off on a paper towel for a few seconds. Serve your perfectly poached eggs immediately on buttered toast, with avocado, or as part of a delicious Eggs Benedict. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.